Do you have the courage to attract romance? Perhaps you are looking for that significant other in your life and you haven't yet found them. Perhaps you are wanting a boyfriend, a girlfriend, or a husband, a wife, a spouse, the twin flame, the soul mate of your life. Or perhaps you're in a relationship already and you're not quite sure about things, and maybe you're wanting to have back some of the romance that was there in the beginning of the relationship. Or perhaps you just want to have more romance in your life anyway. Well, do not worry. The doctor, me, is in. And I am going to show you exactly how to do that. My name is Lorraine DePire and I'm an empowerment coach, and I'm also an energy healer. And I have supported literally thousands of people now in moving through their fears to achieve their visions, dreams, and goals. So I'm going to ask you a question. Do you have a romantic relationship with yourself? And I'm going to suggest one very simple thing that you can do to improve the romance in your life. And that is, I want you to take yourself out on a romantic date. Now, it doesn't have to be going to the top of the Hilton Park Lane with the white tablecloths and 3 waiters standing around you while you have the wine and the candles. It can be something as simple as going for a walk in one of your favorite places. And when you do this, what I want you to do it is with the feeling of romance. So that means you're not going to be on your phone, you're not going to be, listening to headphones, you're going to be walking and being in the situation as if you were on the most amazing romantic date. Now, if that resonates for you and you think that this approach is something that could help you, I'm going to ask you to just click on the link that I'm going to put below to attract romance into your life. And I thank you very much for listening.